Exercise 13.1 question number 3. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the floor walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height of the hall. So here you have to find the height of the hall and the things which is given to you, that is perimeter of the floor. So floor is twice length plus breadth, that is the perimeter, equal to 250. From this you will get the relation between length and breadth, and here the total cost is given to you as well as the rate. So for finding the area which is painted with this given rate, so you have to divide 15,000 from 10, so you will get the area which is painted. Okay, now you have these two given things. From this you can easily find the height of the hall, and one more hint is given in this, that the area of the four walls is equal to the lateral surface area. So now let us solve this problem. So student, this is your question number 3. Let the length be L meter, breadth be B meter and height be H meter. So perimeter given to you 250 meter. So now as the area of the four walls is same as that lateral surface area, so that is 2 length plus breadth equals to 250 meter. Okay, so length plus breadth is how much? 125. So take this as equation 1. ठीक है, take this as equation 1. Now the area of the four walls. Okay, the area of the four walls, area of the four walls, the area of the four walls equals to how much? That is you have to find the area. Total cost is given to you 15,000 and the rate is 10 rupees 10 per meter square. For finding that, we have to divide 15,000 with 10. 15,000 divided by 10, so you will get 1500 meter square. So this is your area, because we have the rate for per meter square and we know the total cost. So when we divide the total cost from the given rate, then we will have the area of the four walls, that is 1500 meter square. Now as you know that you have calculated, just as you know that the area of the four walls is 2 length plus breadth into height, ठीक है, equals to 1500. Put this. So now that is L plus B H equals to 750. Now as we have find L plus B equals to 125 from equation 1, so by using the equation 1 you can easily write by using equation 1. So by using equation 1, okay, this is our equation 1, you can put in place of length plus breadth 125. So 125 into H equals to 750. So H equals to 750 by 125, you will get 6 meter. So the height of the hall is 6 meter.